Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's rhodiya here. Today I'm sharing with you a quick throwback of 27th December 2021. Yeah, it's a month now, but then I was just like, let me just try to relive the moment because we wanted to make a quick memory of what happened on this day. Okay, around this period, it's obviously the festive season. And I pretty much celebrate anything. I'm open-minded like that. So we thought of creating memories with the kids. My sister invited her friends. So it was a group event, so to say. And I mean, the kids really were happy about this. I would say I was happy because I've not been in Nigeria for so long. So trying to create a good memory was just fantastic. So this was a curated event that we made for the kids, and I would just like to share this with you. At the end of the video, I'll be leaving my review, and yeah, so basically that's it. I hope you do love this one. Stick around to the end. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Mwah! Enjoy.
Oh, Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear. The whispers reaching my ears of warning. Snow is falling and life is stalling, so let's take a ride in the sleigh. Bells are ringing, kids are begging, let's take a ride in the sleigh. It's a great night for a sleigh ride. Just like kids, let's reminisce, let's take a ride in the sleigh. Fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh rides. Oh, Christmas, let's take our kindness inside and test it out for a ride and love each other. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love.
Yeah, baby. Hey.
We can sing a carol in fur. Let's take a ride in the sleigh. Stop for cocoa and pose for photos. Let's take a ride in the sleigh. It's a great night for a sleigh ride. Just like kids, let's reminisce.
Someone's going to see Santa.
I'm starting to hear the whispers reaching my ears of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas, we'll burn the coziest fire while wrapping love that's disguised as pretty presents. Everyone I know deserves a little bit of love. Every face I've seen through the
look here, baby girl.
Petty things that compromise our cheek.
Oh, that's
the ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh.
Where's Candy?
Oh, Christmas.
Your teddy bear that you made?
BALKYZ, baby. Can I know your name? Your name is
Alicia.
What's your name?
Good boy.
Where's the green gingerbread man?
Children are having fun. So my sister,
It's much fun.
like I'm just showing in the video, see? Hello, beautiful lady. Hi, hi, hi.
I'm baking
What are you baking?
gingerbread man.
Let's see. Going, going. Wow. It's been crazy dealing with kids. They just want to have fun. Alright. Are you having fun? Go with Mrs. Claus. Go get your cookie that you baked.
Yeah, because I want you already.
Wait, watch, okay?
I want mine. I want mine.
Oh, Christmas. The word that's out on the street is that the season's complete when hearts are open. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, tenderness, and smiles so sincere. Now's the time to reach out and to brighten someone's day. The magic of the holidays is here.
First name for the name. Santa? Where is my gift?
How are you? Have you been naughty or nice? You're in the middle. No, just choose. Have you been
Tell me,
naughty
tell
or
me.
nice?
I've been nice and naughty.
Okay, which more have you been? Have you been more naughty or you been more nice? Okay, so let's find out from Santa.
I taught my friend how to do a cartoon.
Alright, okay, let's find out from Santa if you're naughty or nice.
Show me. What's your certificate? Flaunt it, flaunt it.
Certificate they got this. nice. Anybody can No.
Hi, did you have fun?
Yeah!
This is real mask. Yeah. Okay, the kids had fun for sure. Too much fun. I didn't even get to communicate with you guys, but it's good enough that they had fun. I mean, at the end of the day, they were supposed to have fun, not us. So.
Alright, as promised, I'm back here for the review, and I must say this event was pretty much nice, and that's because it was tailored to feel exclusive, which was what I really liked about it as compared to the other events that I went to around this period. I mean, it's Lagos, it was packed, it was choked. Was it nice? Yes, they were, but I felt like you wouldn't get the total bang for the money. Yeah. But with the Santa's workshop, it was quite different because you're going to pay. That's just the truth. You're going to pay. But you would also have to do your registration before turning up. So it's like a pre-booked appointment. So you do your registration online and you do your time slots, you do your payment, and then you show up. You have to do this at least a day before your show up time. Their packages ranges from standard to premium plus. And that also factors into what you get as your souvenir, the Santa's visit. I mean, just basically the overall experience. One thing that I would say surprised me was the gifting. I was kind of looking forward to the gifts that they would get. And to be honest, the gift was just right, appropriate. It was good enough. Zara unboxed a gift. It was a scooter, and the scooter was not just some light or cheap stuff. It felt really heavy. So I think they also put into consideration the age of the child, the sex of the child, and the package that you went for, basically. But it was totally worth it. Every package of it is quite nice. However, I felt like there was an issue because they didn't want me to film. The moment they saw me with camera, they started raising their eyebrows, and I was just like, what's going on here? But I mean, we had to tell them, okay, I'm a content creator, I'm doing this, I'm all of that, but it took a while before they could even, relax on their terms. Filming is not allowed at Santa's grotto when you go to see Santa, and I was just like, I mean, I wanted to cover all this experience. For most business, they don't realize that they are being promoted, good or bad of it, because whatever doesn't work for me might work for another person. That's just the truth. But anywho, that was one turn off for me. The other turn off was the Kosoro ride wasn't working. I mean, why would we pay for something and then get to the event? I was told it wasn't working. Aside from that, every other thing was okay. Yeah. Is this an event that you may want to do later this year with your kids, friends, and family? Because this event is actually really nice when you go as a group. Was it worth it? You guys let me know. If you enjoyed the video, let me know. Comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.